Hi everyone! In today's class, we are going to work with sliders. Okay. So what are these sliders? They will basically help you slide on your floor. If you don't have sliders, you can definitely use socks, wear socks. You can use a blanket or a fold-up towel. So the sliders, I got this online from Shopee. So you can definitely look this up in your sports store and check out if they have this available for you. So the sliders have two slides. The colored slide is basically where we will put our hands later or the feet. And this black slide is the side where it's going to slide on the floor. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to do a few drills that can help you with your Chaturanga if you're working on that. But this is also a good drill or workout if you want to build strength for your core. So have fun. So we'll start on our mats in tabletop. But what we'll do is you fold your mat so that you have space for your sliders to slide on. Okay. So I'm folding my mat. Okay. And if you need more cushion for your knees, go ahead, put maybe more cushion, maybe your towel. Okay. And then go ahead and grab your sliders. So here are my cute sort of pastel green sliders. All right. Now to help with our Chaturanga. Okay. So for this first drill, what we're going to do is stay in a tabletop position. And then we are going to reach the arms forward out to a Y and then back. Okay. So from here, palms on the sliders, belly draws in, find that zipper. And then go ahead, you'll slide the sliders forward and then bring it back. Okay. So can we still keep the belly hugging in as we slide forward, as if you're finding puppy dog, and then you'll slide it back. Okay, so you can do that a couple times. What you'll feel are the muscles here, so near the pec area. They start to engage as you slide back. Okay, so we'll do that again. Belly draws in, maybe ground through the toes. Either toes are pointing or maybe toes are curled, up to you. You'll reach forward and then we'll come back. Maybe let's do that 2 more times. We'll reach forward and then we'll come back. Okay, elbows might slightly bend, that's fine. We'll reach forward again and then we'll come back. Maybe last one, you can explore doing a hold. So we'll reach forward, belly keeps drawing in, and then from here, we'll draw back. All right. So that is drill number 1. Okay. Drill number 2, we are going to do a push-up hold. So drill number 2, we are going to do a push-up hold or a Chaturanga hold, a modified Chaturanga hold. Okay, so what we'll do, okay, so from tabletop, okay, you'll reach the chest forward and then elbows will bend. So belly draws in, hold steady here. And then from here, what we'll do is, can you keep your right side stable as you slide to the left and then come back in? Keep your left side stable, keep that pushing effort as you slide to the right and come back in. So do that a few times. Belly draws in, stabilize the right side. Keep that pushing power on one shoulder as the other shoulder slides out. Breathing in and out. One more, breathing in and out. And then we'll push back up. All right. What you can do when you're exploring with sliders, maybe do a pair first and then come out of it and then come back in. Okay. So again, our modified Chaturanga. Okay. Oops. Belly draws in, reach forward, elbows bend. Okay. You can be this high, okay, or maybe go a bit lower. See what is accessible for you. Hold here, slide, come back in. Okay. Maybe look slightly forward, slide, come back in, and then you can push back up first so that you give yourself a breather or a break. All right. Now, Option number 2 for drill number 2 is we'll do the wax on, wax off. Okay? So it's still the same principle. So basically what we're trying to work is, can we still keep the other half stable when the other side is moving? Okay. All right, let's give it a try. Okay, from here, okay, we'll find our modified Chaturanga. So we'll hold here. And then from here, will one side, right side stay stable? Can we wax on? So you're drawing circles. And then wax off on the other side. Okay, belly draws in as you draw that circle, keeping the core engaged. And then we'll come back up. Okay, we'll give it a try again. Ooh, so know that that is a great deal of work, definitely. Okay. And then usually when you're in transition, especially in this pose, oftentimes it's a quick transition, or sometimes we just go through it very fast. So when we break down the efforts, it makes it a little bit more interesting, and definitely using sliders make it a little bit more fun. All right, let's try wax on, wax off again. Okay, belly draws in. Reach forward, elbows will bend. Hold your modified Chaturanga. Okay, keep your right side stable, wax on. Keep your left side stable, draw that circle. Maybe one more pair. Don't forget to breathe. And then we'll come back up. All right. So we'll take a moment. And if you're doing the drills, if you're doing it a couple of times, make sure that you give your wrists a break. You can draw circles with the hands and definitely shake it off. All right, for drill number 3, we are going to stand up. So for this third drill, okay, we'll do this standing up, but we won't be standing up for long. So I folded my mat again, so I folded it twice. Okay, so basically we are going to put our feet on the sliders and our palms will be on the mat. Okay, so what we're going to do, we'll play around first with sliding back into plank, and then we'll work the effort of bringing the feet forward. Okay. So from here, we'll fold forward. Okay. So can we work on pressing away? So what's happening here is upper back will want to round. Okay. So maybe look slightly forward. And then from here, we'll slide back into plank. Okay, which may be fairly easy or even more fun. Now, can we keep this pushing away as we, and then keep the shoulders on top of the wrists as we try to lift the hips up and then slide the feet forward. Okay, as I quickly scratch my nose. All right, we'll do that again. Press away from the mat. Okay, keep pushing away. Belly draws in as you slide back. And then we'll work on piking the hips up as you slide forward. Okay? So do that a couple of times. Okay? Can you keep the shoulders, hands stable as we move the lower half of the body? Okay? Inhale, exhale. Okay? So I'd like to say that it is a lot of fun, but know that it is a lot of work as well. All right, we'll do this one more time. Breathing in, maybe stay steady in plank for a breath, and then when you're ready, belly draws in, hips will lift as you slide forward. And then you can fold, give yourself a break, maybe draw circles with the hands, come up halfway, you can fold again, and then you'll slowly make your way up. Okay, no rush coming up, and I hope you had fun with that. Namaste. So I hope that was fun for you. It was definitely a lot of work. And for sure, it was definitely fun doing work with the sliders. So I'd like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.